Lynette Oxley for Tac SHAC Tactical TV. I'm here with Gun Owner South Africa, who promotes firearm rights in South Africa, and this is where it starts. Welcome, Gary.
Very good to see you, yes.
You are the team manager for the SANSSU team going to Bisley in the UK, am I correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Tell me a little bit about how this came about, what SANSSU is, etc.
Yes, SANSSU is representing shooting for school children. So we start off from the age of 8. You can start from the age of 8. We do have different disciplines. We start with the normal Springer rifles. And you can continue with that up until you finish your school career. And then we do have the Sporter, the PCPs, and we also have pistol shooting. The disciplines is a 10 meter of the Olympics, and then the 10 meters. And also 3 positions. We shoot at 3 positions. And then the pistols, we use the triple P, the progressive shooting for the pistol shooters, where they can sit with support, and then the next age is standing with support, and then under 21 is free hands like you do it in the Olympics.
That's great. Tell me, are the kids excited?
Yeah, you can see. It looks like. We struggle a lot with the visums, I must say that. This morning we just received 3, the last 3. So it's very tight. But yeah, we're on our way.
How long was this trip planned?
It's 2 weeks. It's with the flying time is 12 days. But we also have a tour, so we will visit some of the landmarks and scenery in London and the areas, Twickenham, Mercedes Worlds and areas like that, to expose the kids to other things also, not only shooting. And then we will spend a week on the range, of course, doing the competition.
So when did you hear about the competition, and was the planning to get all of the kids there and going through the motions to get there? Was it a lot?
So the competition is yearly. It's a yearly thing. The COVID keep us away for 2 years, but we normally visit them every year. It's getting tight now financially, but yeah, we make an effort and do that. So we prepare for it. There is trials that we shoot to have it, and then we select a team from the trials. Yeah, and then it's 21 kids that we take to Bisley, different disciplines.
That's absolutely fantastic. Are you bringing some medals to South Africa?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah. Normally we do.
Fantastic.
I'm not arrogant, but
you're going to bring
the kids practice very hard for that, so yeah.
Fantastic. Very good luck, and I hope you have a fantastic match.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Safe travels. Thank you very much. Hi there, Lynette Oxley again. I'm here with Danae Hubert. You're 14 years old, am I correct?
Yes.
So the first time you're going to compete overseas?
Yes.
Are you really excited?
Yes.
How long have you been shooting?
When I was young, like 6 or 7 years old.
You were born with a disability, but you overcome it, am I correct?
Yes.
You were born autistic?
Yes.
But you've overcome it, and you've made Springbok colours. That's absolutely fantastic. So in which discipline do you compete?
Pistols.
Pistols, specifically. Can you tell me why you're shooting and why it's so exciting for you?
Because it's so fun, because it makes me want to go free, and it keeps my mind off other troubled things.
Okay. And first time you're traveling overseas as well?
Yes.
You're very excited?
Yes.
Well, I really hope that you are going to do really well at the competition and bring some medals back for South Africa.
I will try my best.
Thank you very much, Danae. Nice speaking to you. Hallo, ek is hier met Eckhart Rabie. Welkom Eckhart, en dankie dat jy met my praat.
Okay, baie dankie.
Sê vir my, jy skiet 'n rifle. Vertel my presies 'n bietjie wat jy doen en jou geskiedenis om hier te kom vandag, want jy is nou Springbok klere wat absoluut fantasties is. Baie geluk.
Ek het in my hoërskool se skietspan aan die proewe deelgeneem. Toe kom ek daarin in 2019. En van toe af neem ek aan provinsiale kompetisies deel, die GSSC kompetisies. En in 2019 was ek toe gekies vir die 2019 SA's om daar te gaan deelneem. En toe vlieg ons af Kaap toe, dit was baie lekker, die hele toer daarso gehad. En nou het ek maar aan nog proewe deelgeneem en dit hoofsaaklik die interprovinsiale proewe. Daarso was 'n hele klomp mense uitgenooi na die nasionale proewe toe wat in Bloemfontein gehou was. En toe gaan almal soontoe en in Bloemfontein het ons almal deelgeneem en dit is waar toe almal wat nou in die span is gekies was. Daar's ons ja.
Is jy eerste oorseese kompetisie?
Ja.
Is jy bietjie skrikkerig of is jy baie opgewonde? Of beide?
Beide.
Beide. Sê vir my, hoe oud is jy nou?
Ek's nou 18.
So jy kan nog vir 3 jaar kompeteer as ek reg, of 2 jaar?
Nee, nie hierso nie, want hier is die SANSSU, dis die skole nie.
Okay.
So omdat ek nie meer in 'n skool gaan wees wat geassosieer is met SANSSU nie, gaan ek nie meer aan SANSSU kompetisies kan deelneem nie. Maar ek gaan nog steeds aanhou met die SARA kompetisies wat nog buite die skool kan gaan en ek sal dan oorskuif na presisie toe as ek daar gaan deelneem.
Baie dankie dat jy met my gepraat het en sterkte en bring dan medaljes vir ons terug huis toe, hoor.
Dankie.
Baie dankie, Eckhart. Lekker dag verder. Ek is hier met Chantal de Silva. Welkom en baie dankie dat jy met my praat.
Baie dankie, Tannie.
Sê vir my, hoe oud is jy?
Ek is nou 18.
18.
Ja.
Hoe jou pad hiernatoe? Verduidelik my, waar het jy begin skiet en wat skiet jy? Doen jy rifles?
Ja, ek doen rifle.
Okay.
Ja. So ek was nog altyd baie lief vir soos jag en ek wou nog altyd geskiet het en maar my ma het altyd vir my gesê nee, dis 'n sport vir seentjies.
Ja.
En dan toe nou in graad 8 toe het ek gesien ek daar's ons by 'n skool kan ek by die klub gaan aansluit en ek kan leer om te skiet en so. En toe het ek nou daar aangesluit en dis nou my 5de jaar van skiet. En ek is baie bly dat ek kon deel wees van hierdie sport.
Jy gaan dan, is jy eers oorseese kompetisie?
Ja, dit
En jy
is.
eers oorseese trip of nie?
Nee, ek was al 'n paar keer oorsee, so ek's baie bly ek kan nou Londen toe gaan. Dit was my eerste keer nou daar, maar die skiet is nog bietjie nuut, so ons sal maar sien hoe gaan dit daar.
Is jy 'n bietjie skrikkerig of is jy skrikkerig en opgewonde of beide?
Beide, ja.
Daar baie sterkte en ek hoop jy bring ons vir Suid-Afrika se medaljes terug.
Baie dankie.
Baie dankie dat jy met my gepraat het. Hallo Ethan Creer, welkom. Sê vir my, hoe oud is jy?
Ek is nou 16 jaar oud, ja.
Jou eerste kompetisie oorsee?
Dit is ja.
En waarop konsentreer jy? Pistool of rifle?
Ek is nou op pistool. Ja, ek is pistool en wel gaan my bes te doen daai kant, ja.
Wanneer het jy begin skiet en dink jy gaan aangaan nadat jy die skool verlaat het?
Jong, ek skiet al van 'n jong ouderdom af. Dit seker so 6 jaar oud. Maar ek het nou met pistoolskiet het ek in hoërskool begin. Ja,
Jy geniet dit?
ek love dit.
Hoekom geniet jy dit? Wat maak dit verskillend van ander sporte?
Dit is my talent, dit is my passie, dit is wat ek like is 'n individuele sport. Dis 'n spansport is nice en dit is lekker, maar individueel dit is jou eie, kan ek sê,
Jy kompeteer teen
Ja,
jouself
ja, jy
daar,
kompeteer,
nie
ja.
saam met ander mense nie.
ja.
Baie dankie dat jy met my gepraat het. Is jy baie opgewonde oor die en 'n bietjie bang of
Dis 'n groot plesier en wel ek is baie opgewonde maar ook so half ek weet nie hoe om daai gevoel te verduidelik nie. Soos as jy op 'n verhoog opstap en iets moet opvoer, dis ja, dis 'n snaakse gevoel.
sê vir my, ek het nou onthou wat ek wou gevra het, dissipline. Dink jy dis 'n sport wat bydra tot jou daaglikse dissipline? Want jy kan nie net ingaan en dinge gaan doen.
Ja,
Jy moet-
nee,
Daar's 'n
ja.
dissipline daaraan betrokke, is ek reg?
Daar moet dissipline wees. Ja. Jy kan nie net gaan en skiet en doen wat jy wil met dit. Ja, jy moet dissipline hê.
Sê hoeveel is skiet in terme van jou in jou mind dat jy moet konsentreer?
Baie. Dit is soos 90% is dit mindset en dan die res is skills.
Okay. Goed reg. Baie dankie. Lekker dag verder en sterkte met die kompetisie en soos ek sê, bring daai medaljes huis toe.
Baie dankie. Ek sal
Dankie hoor Ethan. Okay, bye. I'm here with Shamari Barnard. Welcome and thank you for talking to me.
Thank you.
What discipline are you shooting in?
In pistol,
In pistol?
Yes.
How old are you now?
I'm now 16 years old.
How long have you been shooting?
Since grade 8, so 3 years.
Are you enjoying shooting and do you think it's slightly different for ladies or
It's definitely different for ladies since we don't have the upper body strength that the guys have, and it's one-handed and everything. So it's definitely different for ladies. Yeah.
But you have overcome it and you compete.
Yes, I have.
Fantastic. What's your future look like? Do you want to continue shooting?
I definitely want to continue shooting even after school. I want to see where I can take it. So
Is this your first overseas competition?
yes, it is.
Well, congratulations on getting your Springbok colours.
Thank you.
And you look very smart today. And I hope you have a fantastic shoot and that you bring back some medals for
Thank
us.
you. I'll definitely try.
Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.
Thank you.
And it's a good trip.
Yes, thank
Cheers.
you.
Bye-bye. Good afternoon. I'm here with Alsabi Ferreira. She's one of the parents for the Junior Bisley International shooting competition. Am I correct?
Yes.
How is the route here? Lots of money, lots of stress. Am I correct?
Oh, it was a disaster. The visas only arrived this morning. We had 4 shooters that only got their visas this morning, and it's been great. It's been expensive and what an experience, but yet the stress to be here and to get here on time, and finally we are here.
How was Matthew's route to get this? Was it stressful for you as well, and did you have to been very involved or try and just be on the sidelines?
Well, I was very involved in his shooting. Spent a lot of time, a lot of hours of practicing, lots of competitions, traveling basically all over South Africa, which is nice. And it's also good for the kids, the experience that they get from being a shooter and being involved in something like this, because at the end of the day, it's what they achieve, not a team, it's them as an individual, yet they are in a team, but as an individual, what they can achieve on their own, and that's the most important.
And tell me, Matthew has discipline, how the discipline of actually shooting helped him to grow as a person?
It has. It has helped him a lot because obviously once they are there and on the range, they've got to think for themselves. There's nobody that can tell them what to do at that stage, and they've got to make a decision if they shoot a certain way, what they need to do with their sights, whether they've got to go one click this way and one click that way. He's been shooting for 5 years and it still doesn't make sense to me, but he's the shooter, so it's good for him, not me.
Absolutely fantastic. So you're not going with?
No.
It's going to be a long time.
Yeah, somebody needs to stay home and make the money. So that's me, not him.
Well, thank you very much, Alsabi, and hope Matthew does very well overseas.
Thank you, and I hope so too. They must just bring back all the medals. That's all we
what
want.
I've been trying to say to everybody today.
Thank
you, Alsabi.
Okay.
Thank you.